You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. Once you learn how to pronounce it in English, this philosophy Chinese. Stay tuned, I've got more videos for you you'll want to listen to and learn from. Chinese, Mandarin pronunciation. Tao, this is also a Chinese character. Tao, a culture. Tao, English pronunciation. How to pronounce in English. Tao. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.